So you can eat this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Eat it when you like, actually. It's delicious. We've got some collard greens today, ham, eggs, tomatoes, garlic, couple of spices. Really delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got a tablespoon of garlic there, 1 cup of onions, and then my collards. 6 cups maybe, roughly, like that. Let's get moving. So I've got about 3 tablespoons of oil in there. I'm using olive oil. Use any oil that you want. And if you want, you could use butter, no problem. So medium heat, just put that on. So 1 cup of onion, 1 tablespoon garlic, salt, black pepper, and I'm being quite generous with my black pepper. And then in go the collards as well. Now, like I say, about maybe, I don't know, 6 cups roughly. That will cook down. It's not a huge amount because it will cook right down. But what I've done is that, as you can see, I've cut it nice and thin. Obviously gave it a nice wash first. So medium heat, we're going to go for about 5 or 6 minutes. Get this on its way. Then I'll show you some other ingredients. Beautiful, cooking down really nicely. Next up, we're going to go with 1 cup of fresh tomato. Here I've got a teaspoon of cumin and sweet paprika. And I've got here over a cup, like 1.5 cups maybe, or it's actually 200 grams of some ham. Now you can do this with bacon if you want, or any sort of smoked meat, turkey or something like that also works really well. We're going to go for about another 5 minutes or so. We might get a bit of moisture maybe from our tomatoes as they cook down. So you can see we did get a bit of moisture there from the tomatoes as they cook down. Very simply, we're going to add some eggs. I've got 6 eggs here that I've beaten. These are just a medium-sized egg. In it goes. And now just cook it however you like your eggs. I like mine fairly well done. But yeah, do it exactly how you want. Job done, that's it. Check it for seasoning. Very, very simple. Collard greens, ham, tomato, eggs. So a tasty breakfast, lunch or dinner actually, isn't it? Just serving that with a bit of bread. Just get in there, stick it in the middle of the table. We can all tuck into that. Great stuff. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.